Hi, hi everyone. So today again we are recording on Zoho. In yesterday's video, I understand there was a little bit of problem with the audio. So we will complete this Zoho for yesterday and today in this one video. So Zoho, this is an Indian company, completely indigenous. It is not funded by any VC, and this is one of the largest company, one of the self-funded, unicorn along with Zerodha, right? This company has been started in Tamil Nadu, and most of the people are still working from small villages, right? So what does this company do? This company provides a suite of solutions to the business which are small to medium sized businesses, very very useful for SME sectors, right? And even larger businesses can work on this tool. So you see, Zoho Books is one of the very important finance tool, right? It can be integrated with inventory, expenses, payroll, invoicing, all that stuff. In collaboration, you have Zoho mails, documents, readers, and meeting and whatnot, right? In sales and marketing, you have CRM, you have bookings, you have backstage. So there are multiple tools which Zoho provides in-house. I have been personally using Zoho Books, Zoho Payroll, and I find it very, very user-friendly, very, very pocket-friendly, right? Even these tools can integrate between themselves. Like, for example, recruit people and payroll and books all can be integrated, right? Email can also be integrated with books. CRM can also be integrated, right? So it gives you a very good holistic integrated solution, like a typical ERP, right? It can do a integration with external service providers also, like PayPal, Razorpay, Zapier, Slack, and many more, even G Suites also, right? Payment gateways, it do a wonderful integration with payment gateways like Paytm, PayPal, Razorpay, and with banks. This is one of the most beautiful feature you will find in Zoho, that it can integrate with banks. So you can make the salary payment by a click of a button. If you want to make payment to your vendors, you can pay it by a click of a button, right? Even the bank statements automatically syncs into the Zoho books, and then you can do the segregation of that, right? So there are other integrations also. Some of them we have talked about it. You can go to the website also and look at it in more detail. Look, this is Zoho Books. I'm just giving you some example of Zoho Books. So this is a typical Zoho Books. You can see there is a dashboard, banking, sales, purchase, reports, accountant and all. And it gives you maker checker relationship also, right? Like, for example, if you are creating an invoice in Zoho, it goes for the approval. You can set up how many level of approvals you need: level 1, level 2, level 3. And then the approval, once you approve, this invoice will uh, go to your customer. Like, here you will have option of approve and reject, and all these things will be very well stacked in the audit trail also, right? So this is one of the feature. So this is how it is. So your customer will be completely integrated into the entire ecosystem. You send the invoice to customer. If he makes the payment, it comes to your bank, and the bank automatically fetches the transaction into your accounting books. You can check and allocate the funds, right? So this is how, even you see, this is the bank statement which gets automatically synced in Zoho. And then you can click on a transaction, and then you can match it rather than doing a debit credit like in Tally. You have to feed in entire information. You don't have to do that. Okay. You can either match the transaction or categorize the transaction, right? Even when you make the payment, you can send it. If you are integrating through a SMS tool, you can send an SMS, you can send an email also. Once you allocate the balances, you can send the email to your customer also that the payment has been received, right? Here you can notify by a SMS. So options are very, very simple, right? There can be bundles and it can be purchased, things can be purchased individually. You can see the pricing. The pricing is also very, very pocket friendly. You can see the pricing on the Zoho website. I am not going to go into it because it keeps changing a little bit, right? And yeah, it can also be integrated with your GSTN also, right? So you can push the data into your GSTN template, and all the returns can be filed directly from Zoho software. So this is, in today's session I have tried to, introduce you to the Zoho software. You can go search on Zoho and you will find a lot of details about it. Initially, all the tools are free, so you can, do a plain vanilla subscription, try to use it, and then if you like it, then go for a paid subscription, right? Very, very useful tool for people in practice, for chartered accountants in practice, for accountants in practice who are serving their client. It is much better than the traditional tools which we are using. So hope you will like this video. Thanks a lot.